it's Kevin with K-Squared Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the tuck pull-up. Alright guys, so key points of performance. We're getting into another variation of the pull-up drill, adding in a little extra core work here. So I want to break down how I want you to always be on the pull-up bar first, and that's at the bottom when you're in a good, strong, hollow body position. Hollow body means you're intentionally rolling your pelvis, squeezing your glutes, flexing your quads, and pointing your toes. So a lot of times I see people here where their rib cage is flared open. Be very intentional and pull all that together. I'm tight to my entire body. Next, I want you to go tuck position. Tuck is any time that your knees are above parallel, so that's recruiting your lower abdomen. And then another thing I want you to think about is make your knees touch together. That's going to get you all tight to your core. Then for the pull-up, we'll go tuck position here. I want to make sure you're locking out every time at the bottom. Your tendency is going to be when you lower down, first thing that's going to want to happen is your knees drop a little bit. You come down from your pull-up, you're going to want to sink. Make sure every rep you're staying tight through here. That's the tuck bar pull-up. Get after it.